Hey human, I'm Braxton Evelyn, the beauty food chick. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm gonna be cooking for my boo. I'll be making this really delicious vegetable soup. So let's go shopping. I like to buy a lot of vegetables and fruits. So in today's video, I'll be sharing the benefits of eating vegetables and fruits with you. Let's go shopping. Let's see what I am gonna be getting. So it is a good thing to make time out, to take care of. That's someone that is really, really, really special. So let's see. The benefits of eating vegetables and fruits is that vegetables and fruits are nutrient rich, and so they're packed with essential vitamins and minerals. It can help to prevent diseases. It's good for weight management. You have to know that I am talking about weight management. I'm not talking about weight loss. So there's a difference between weight loss and weight management. Weight management is basically you watching everything that you eat. So there's a balance. When I talk about prevention of diseases, I'm talking about it can lower the risk of chronic diseases, heart diseases, high blood pressure, certain kind of cancers, and age-related degeneration. Then the benefits of vegetables and fruits is it's good for your digestive health. What do I mean by this? The high fiber content of vegetables and fruits sort of aids in maintaining a healthy digestive system. So it prevents constipation, promotes bowel movement. It's perfect for hydration. Many fruits and vegetables are high in water content. This contributes to your overall hydration, including bodily functions that you will benefit. Then it's perfect for your skin health. The antioxidants, vitamins, minerals found in fruits and vegetables contribute to a healthy skin. It improves your skin's elasticity and reduces the sign of aging, promotes this sort of radiant complexion. It's good for your eye health. Certain fruits like carrots, spinach, citrus fruits, they contain nutrients that are perfect for your eye. Then mental well-being. A diet rich in fruits and vegetables is associated with better mental outcomes. The nutrients and antioxidants found in this food kind of contribute to the brain health, and it will help to also reduce your cognitive decline, so you will stay alert for a long time. You have to know that consuming vegetables has lots and lots of benefits. So aim for variety of colors. They often indicate different nutrient profile. So that was me storing my cilantro, and it's time to make this vegetable soup for my boo. So I just love the fact that this ninja blender can just chop your vegetables for you and save you time in the kitchen. Consuming different kinds of vegetables has benefits, like I told you, so you want to listen from the beginning. So my tomato fried, I dropped in some garlic, peppers, and I'll fry this for a bit. Now it is fried, it's time to add the rest of the ingredients. So I'm adding chives, which is basically shaki. It has been cooked already. Local spice, the dawa. I added crayfish, salt, and Knorr seasoning cubes. Please remember to like this video. Leave me a comment. What do you think about today's video? Then I brought in protein, allowed that to cook for a bit. Then my spinach, I'm using spinach for my vegetable, and it is ready, guys. Lastly, I added my fish, and voila! Boo is gonna be happy about this soup. That boo is me. Now you wanna follow for more. Bye!